Magluluto tayo ng biryani. Chicken biryani today. This dinner. Yeah. Ayan yan. Ito yung mga ingredients ko. We love vegetables. So we add a lot of vegetables now. Here all my ingredients. There is cumin, oregano, paprika, spicy, guns, ano ba yan? I don't know. Curry, garlic, ginger, onion. Ito pa yun yung, I don't know the name. Parang flour. Also, green chili. This one. And a little bit butter. Ayan, alam ko na to. Kusbara. Nung nasa Israel pa ako. Ayan, ilalagay natin ang mga yan. Potato, carrots, and bell pepper, tomato. Naka-ready na rin yung olive oil. Ayan, ginisa-gisa na natin. Lagay na natin lahat. Sunod-sunod na yan. Ayan guys, ginisa-gisa ko muna siya. Lagyan natin ng konting butter. Konting kamatis muna. Mamaya na yung iba niya. Paprika and cumin. Nalagay ko na. Ayan guys, nailagay na natin ang ating chicken, potato, and carrots. Mamaya yung iba. Ayan guys. Wow, ang ganda ng kulay. And rice. It's a basmati rice. Now, nailagay ko na rin yung ano ba ito? Ewan ko kung anong pangalan to. Basta sa Israel is kusbara. Yan guys, puno-puno siya ng rice. Wow, look at this guys. Looks so delicious. First time to make chicken biryani. Wow, almost done. Nakakagutom. Okay guys, ready na. Chicken biryani.
Chicken biryani.
Yeah.
After a long day of working today.
Yes.
And a long time of waiting for her.
Now it's done. Okay, let's start to eat. Okay guys, thank God for this